Today, I'm breaking down the exact tools serious day traders use and why without them, your strategy doesn't stand a chance. If you're struggling with consistency in trading, it might not be your strategy. It might be your trading tools. Most retail traders try to compete with professionals using weak platforms, delayed data, and cluttered charts. And when they wonder why execution feels stressful and they consistently lose money. Your platform is your cockpit. If it's slow, if it freezes, or if it's cluttered and confusing, you are flying blind, or should I say, trading blind. A serious trading platform must have real-time data, fast order execution, custom layouts, news source, and hotkeys. Hotkeys are critical. Your platform should feel like an extension of your thinking, not something confusing you or that you have to fight with. If you're fumbling around clicking through menus trying to place an order while the price is moving, you are already late. In volatile markets, you cannot afford hesitation. In a minute, I'm going to explain why execution speed alone can quietly drain thousands from your account over time. Delayed data is one of the most dangerous things in retail trading. If your quotes are even seconds behind, you're reacting late after price moves have already happened. Speed matters in trading, because slippage counts and it compounds over time. Slippage is the difference between your intended execution price and the actual fill price. Let's say you lose just 5 cents per share on entry and exit due to slow executions and slippage. Over hundreds of trades, that adds up to thousands of dollars lost, and that is unacceptable and totally avoidable. Professional traders trade with direct market access platforms like thinkorswim or interactive brokers, high-speed routing with proven data providers. Speed doesn't create your edge, but slow trading systems can surely destroy it. Next, I'm going to show you something even more important than speed: clarity. Because without clarity, speed doesn't matter. Think of your charts as your dashboard or command center, not decoration. They are your decision-making tools. If you're hunting for execution buttons mid-trade, staring at flashing colors, getting distracted, you're not trading with clarity. You're trading with friction. And friction creates mistakes, and mistakes cost you money. When your layout is chaotic, your thinking becomes chaotic. Professional traders simplify for clarity. They design their screens to reduce stress, not create it. Because in trading, clarity is a competitive advantage, a real edge. Clean charts create calm decisions, and calm decisions create discipline. The better you see the markets, the calmer your decisions will be. But seeing the market clearly isn't enough. You also need to execute properly when the opportunity shows up. And here's something that most traders don't realize. You don't need to stare at screens all day to trade like a professional. Pro traders set price alerts at levels of interest on the charts. They use breakout levels, moving averages, daily highs and lows, support and resistance. This allows you to monitor multiple stocks simultaneously and quickly identify when price approaches a key level of your interest. This lets the price come to you so you're not staring at every price tick getting mentally drained. The next must-have pro trader tool is Level 2. Level 2 displays the market's live bids and offers, revealing real-time supply and demand and giving you insight where buyers and sellers are actively positioned. You can see buying and selling pressure building up before price moves. It refines your entries, it sharpens your trade timing. It doesn't replace your trade strategy, but it enhances it. That extra layer of insight or edge compounds over time. Now let's talk about something that can destroy traders instantly: unexpected volatility. Markets move on information, breaking news, events like employment reports or FOMC announcements. If you're trading unaware of scheduled economic releases, you are literally gambling, as reactions can never be predicted. Professional traders know the exact time of the announcements and when the volatility is coming. They plan their trading around it by reducing size or stepping aside entirely until the clarity returns. Preparation for these events reduces surprises, which often creates losses. But even perfect preparation fails if your infrastructure collapses mid-trade. The markets don't pause for power or internet outages. Eliminate technical weaknesses before they cost you real money. You need to plan in case your platform, computer, or internet goes down mid-trade. Pros have a backup hotspot and battery backup just in case they are needed. And finally, one of the most important tools of all. This one determines whether you improve or repeat your trading mistakes. Trading journal. A journal should track trading strategies, entries, exits, emotional state, mistakes made, and lessons learned. Noticeable patterns emerge over time when data is recorded consistently. If you don't review your trades, you will repeat your mistakes. Professionals review daily and weekly. They refine, adjust, and evolve. Amateurs move on without reviews and hope tomorrow is a better day. The journal is your performance coach. Trackable. Most traders are completely consumed by strategy, but strategy without infrastructure can destroy an account just as fast. One weak link, a frozen platform, delayed data, poor execution, that's all it takes. The market doesn't forgive technical mistakes, and every serious trader must build a professional foundation. That foundation includes the right trading platform, fast, precise execution, clean, customizable charting, accurate real-time data, because consistency isn't built on ideas, it's built on systems. And when your tools support your strategy instead of sabotaging it, you give yourself a real chance to win. Stop trading casually and start trading professionally. I'm Kevin Lloyd, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if so, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. And come see us over at Market Pro Trading, where we can help you level up your trading. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.